我们都是一家人. There is any Filipino here? No Filipino? Okay. nasasabi 갖고 오세요. Well, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Dr. Kim. I come from Korea. I have been to Saudi Arabia 20 years. I was working there as private physician for the royal family. Two of king, I was private doctor and take care of the whole royal family as well. Anyway, as you can see here, the pictures. So actually my profession is Oriental medical doctor. As you know, is very familiar with the Asian. My profession is acupuncture treatment and herbal medicine and chiropractic and moxibustion. This is my field was there. 20 years working and 16 years I was working with the King of Saudi. Well, here also I take care of a lot of patients for free of charge. So what is the body immunity? Someone who infection HIV virus, but he live 20 years, 30 years, no problem. But someone who infection HIV virus, same virus, but who is going to die within 2 months and 3 months. Why? Same virus. Why who live 30 years, no problem? Why who is going to die within 2 months? Because this body immunity. Whatever you have a body immunity, it is strong, you will protection any kinds of virus or the bacteria. Just think about you. How easy to catch a cold? How easy to catch the diarrhea? Everything is come from your body immunities, right? So today, let me tell you how we increased our body immunity. Of course, you need the exercise, but also food also very important. So today, let me tell you, body immunity, any kinds of the virus or bacteria coming from the outside, from the food or from the breathing, from the anything come from outside, we are going to protecting power, call it the body immunities. There is, our body cell is more than 7 billion body cells. Only 3% possible to protection, as like the police, like army, 3% only. But it means it's very busy to them, right? So we call it, there's many different kinds of cell, call it NK cell, natural killing cell. This is most important. But we have a B cell and T cell, but B cell and T cell cannot be killed directly. They have to go there if they found the virus, and then they have to design how to attack to them. But here, before I show you this kinds of the, So let me go to here, our product, the hemoheme. We'll see the hemoheme. And same as I told you, is increasing the body immunity here. We'll see it. And actually, the 8 years we study about the hemoheme. Actually, the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, they started the study. Why? Many cases of the cancer patients, when they go to the hospital, immediately they're going to start the treatment with chemical treatment or X-ray. If you use the chemical or X-ray treatment, we're going to hair falling, tooth falling, even the different cell they are going to killing. But it's how we increase the body immunity. Most important things, as I told you here, the hemoheme, we have different kinds. You will see here, the bacteria. In the center, green color is call it the tuberculosis, is the lung disease. So when this kinds of infection in your body, automatically coming the white cell, they cross and killing. But if you don't have enough body immunity strong, cannot be killing them. So here, as I told you, NK cell, if they found the tumor cell or the cancer cell, any kinds of bacteria or virus, they just go there and they make a hole, call it the periporine, put inside and explosion, automatically killing them. But like the T cell and B cell is different, but NK cell is most important. Every person, we are produced daily more than 2,000 to 5,000 cancer cells every day. But NK cell cannot be killed all of them. Daily 200 to 300 cancer cell only killing. But what about the less amount of cancer cells still in our body actually. If you don't have enough, the body is strong, will going to something happen here and there. So you will see around your peoples and your neighbor, there's many people, they have the cancer in the moment here. So we have here, as I told you, the product, the hemohim, how we did, the 3 kinds different of the herbal medicine. We put, first, what we do, combination of equal amount of Angelica gigas and the Syndium officinale and Paeonia japonica, 3 kinds different. Same quantity, we put all together. And for example, each 100 gram of the mixed herbal medicine with 1,000 milligram distilled water together. And then we start boiling 4 hours. After that, remove the sunlight. And then this one, we call it the him 1. After this one, we put in the ethanol 4 times amount of him 1. And then we put this one to left to 16 hours at the below 25 degrees. After that, we put in the machine, we collecting together him and the other one we put together, we become the hemohim. This one, more than 8 years, Korean Atomy, the Energy Institute, we studied. What he said before, actually this one, Korean Atomy Energy Institute, is belong to government. And then we receive and we start selling through to the Atomy. As I told you here, exactly what we have, the 3 kinds different. So let me see the one by one. We call it Angelica gigas. This one, actually the smell is very fresh and a little bit bitter. But this is very good for there is a lot of the B12, good for the anemia and blood flow, the best for the woman's health and rich folate and iron also. Who has the dizziness and who has not enough the iron, you can use this one kinds of the herbs also to possible helping. This one also for the good protection Alzheimer, allow to brain and development and increase the concentrations. And also for the good for the moisturizing skin to the skin, you know, is keeping the moisturing. And this kinds of also a lot of things to helping blood pressure also controlled. And the other one, call it the Syndium officinale machino. And this one also the good for the woman health and the menstrual pain. And there is a lot of also the advantage and blood circulation. Who has the hair loser? Who has the hair is not enough strong, also for helping for the hair loser. And the calming quality and many helping to this kind. And number 3 is called it the Paeonia japonica. And this one also revitalizing, refresh the soul and fatigue and vitality. It means to increase your body who has the weakness after baby delivery or after sickness who has the body is weak, you can use this one. Also helping to the liver function, also good. And good for the woman and the inflammation, pain relief, and the arthritis, headache, and gastrics. So possible to helping this one. And this is call it our product, the hemohim. Who need the hemohim? Who is the sports the after exercise when you feel the weakness peoples on housewife who work too much stress in the house or after the sickness, also the worker and student, even the old peoples. It's too fast, right? Yeah. Anyway, the hemohim, as I told you, the omega-3, we have 2 products. Really, this is best quality and